Now let's talk about the best practices which every analyst should follow. Great analytics starts with high-value questions, not the data. To guide the discovery process, ask what problem you want to solve and how much value the solution can create. You need to convert your question to a problem statement and look for the solutions. Analysis actually comes as the fifth step. The first step is to define the problem. Now, problem statements should always be SMART. SMART refers to specific, measurable, action-oriented, relevant, and time-bound. For example, let's consider the first problem statement. The oilco refinery is suffering from poor profitability despite a strong market position. This talks about the facts only, but there is no time-bound factor. Now let's look at the next problem statement. Should the oilco refinery improve its deteriorating position? Now this statement is not disputable, but this also doesn't cover the aspects of a SMART statement. Now the third problem statement. Can the oilco refinery be managed differently to increase profitability? This statement is too general. Now let's consider the last problem statement. What opportunities exist for oilco to improve profitability by 40 million per year through overhead rationalization, operational improvements, or restructuring non-core assets? Now this is what a SMART problem statement looks like, which is very specific, measurable, time-bound, action-oriented, and relevant. Remember, the smallest edge can make the biggest difference. The ability to draw upon the power of the collective, that's what data analytics is all about. This is the holy grail, which is to connect all the dots. It's about enhancing the organizational culture and encouraging all employees to take data seriously. You need to disaggregate your problem so that you don't miss any edge. Once again, ask difficult questions to build a logic tree. You should build an hypothesis around your issue tree to reach probable solution. Apply the 80-20 rule in your mutually exclusive but collectively exhaustive issue tree. Now assess the impact, the time and the resource requirement, and prioritize your idea or the solutions. Use the likely impact to decide where to go first. Use the readily available data. For example, industry benchmark, qualitative inputs, the percentage of total, simple ratios, what are the quick wins, and etc. Do not create massive spreadsheets if you can move forward with less complete information. And the last part is to prioritize your issue tree. Insights live at the boundaries between datasets. You need to tap into multiple data sources, both internal and external, to ensure the amalgamation. You know, after applying text analytics on customer complaints, we were able to design a hero product targeting for gamers only. Loops beat lines every time. What this means is that true disruption requires continuous intelligence that spans across the whole organization. Design and visualization matters. There is no confusion that visual analytics can be so powerful to relay a message without even a word being spoken. Analytics is a team sport. You need to have a strategy and understand the specialized roles that are needed and how to source them and how to best leverage them across the whole organization. Only analytics isn't enough. Adaptation is essential. If you're only learning and understanding analytics, this isn't enough. Everyone in the organization needs to foster adaptation and collaboration so that it's used effectively across all the hierarchy throughout the organization.